Did you know that a lot of Filipinos thought that Del Monte is local? Del Monte started in California in the late 1800s. They actually started as a premium brand for coffee. 1826 lang when Del Monte came to the Philippines. They didn't just export, they built local. They have a huge pineapple plantation in Bukidnon. Sauces, juices, and canned goods, all Filipino-made. Halos wala silang change sa logos. The very shape, which is a tomato, symbolizes a shield. It's like a stamp of quality assurance. Sa mga batang 80s at 90s dyan, naalala niyo pa ba yung Del Monte Kitchenomics? This is a televised cooking show sharing Del Monte recipes. Started in 1989 and it's still ongoing. They did branded content even before it was a thing. Kahit yung mga cans nila may printed recipes na sinave ng mga nanay at lola natin. Kailang pininyahang adobo kami dahil sa inyo. But from a design and cultural perspective, Del Monte is a heritage brand that rightfully earned their place as a Filipino staple.